Riversera Mafhungo wa SABC ubva pano Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Twi Mafhungo marwana nga chino chipinga care.
Tourism is one of the fastest ways to generate jobs, and Adrian says 13 tourists coming into our country creates one job.
President Tebo Ramaphosa aborwera tare chipida cha vuraru cha chumisano ya mvuso na mabindu.
The second matter, and I'm actually trying to think if it was the Makwele matter that I wish now.
Now, the document just before that is a sub.
Now I handed over documents. The first one, 3511.
Mapolisa bofara mabindu bostwa James Shanik nge havura mulandu kazwe zawisa bar Mafhungo ka komishini ya madlanga.
The investigators describe Omonde as, I quote, a disaster waiting to happen.
Ba muhasho zvipato na tema mberedziso vari usatevedzwa ha milayo zovanga wa zvipato. Nda ndi madekwana rivasera Mafhungo pano ka SABC2 SABC Plus na Kali High. President Tebo Ramaphosa bakopulvesa vadzirapo uri chipida cha vuraru cha chumisano ya muvuso na vari mabindu chine chafi Government Business Partnership chidosvikarira pulvedziso dzacho kha rushaka. Vari chimisano iyi idova isedzesa kha uvhusuludza pulupelo la vhubindudzi u itela u sika mishumo i fareaho khathihi na mvelaphanḓa khulwane nga u angaredza.
Tourism is one of the fastest ways to generate jobs, and Adrian says 13 tourists coming into our country creates one job. Now, we easily can have way more than 1 million, many more millions of jobs added to tourists added to what we have. Because for every visitor, employment in accommodation, in transport, food services, entertainment, retail and creative industries just expand. Our task is to remove the barriers holding the sector back. So as we focus on this phase, on these areas, we therefore need to look at what the barriers are and intensively do so. We must improve air access. We don't have enough air travel that comes into our country and within our own country. We must modernize, yes, continue doing so, our visa processing. The other day with Minister Schreiber and Deputy Minister Nzuza, we launched the ETA. It was just excellent because we had a Chinese visitor coming, which I processed. You'll be pleased to know that I processed that visitor as they came in, and they almost hugged me and said, Mr. President, this is one of the best, because it was flawless. It was within 2 to 3 minutes. So we need to do that. We need to enhance tourist safety and expand investment.
Vostwar Shanik vana vapfindi mushumisani wa tsini na chanda cha mkomisionari wa mapolisa omiso ushuma Lieutenant General bo Shadrack Sibiya bo farwanga mapolisa chipingani cha musimu rado wa parliamente bo Federal Adams vachikuonekeza butanzi panda commission ya tsidziruso ya madlanga aba bo Shanik bava vachinga bo perekedza bo Adams yanepoka commission bo pedza vanokunga mato avathu ngamura wa kodano dzavo na mumwe Mafhungo uyu Mafhungo ombodio vulera bo Shanik murandu wa ushushedza zvezvo mbodisiya vachifarwanga mapolisa.
I want to hear from your perspective. What was so urgent that it had to happen within 24 hours?
If I may, Commissioner? Thank you. What was important to me about this is that on the basis of what I've seen, and these are only allegations, like I say, I wanted it followed up by an investigation, is that there's a possibility that at the very top of crime intelligence, people are A, stealing, B, promoting people with criminal records to top positions, and like you said, it just seemed to stink.
And he said, even yesterday you took videos of me and posted on social media And I'm like, yesterday I didn't take any video of you, and can you please show me that video you say I took yesterday? And then he's like, I don't have my phone with me now. And his tone was very threatening, because he was even pointing fingers at me, telling me that if I want to talk like that, I must come outside.
We expect that journalists will be respected in executing their duties. The media has a constitutional right to do so, and so certainly that sort of conduct towards journalists in particular now is not acceptable.
Aramabindu wa Northwest bo Brown Mkhotsi bakadibabo varwa chitokisini ngamra musitsengo yabo yepresora panda uyakhabege daongala bubiri witera kumbera bail court ya magistrata ya Johannesburg bo Mkhotsi wasenga stuku kote yo machoni na musi uitera tsengo tangeri izwi ngamra wa fari wa abo ngamwezi wa shindu nture marugana zwine apfi bo zwipa badita unga bahombo kiwanga mavimu eabo ditama ngazwini nge force rasuni aba ekuruleni bo Mkhotsi bako weswa mirandu ya ushanda mapungo onyaza mashumera murayo katino zwipa zwinezo kwa mauri botodo umiriswa chibindi ngeno zwisizone. Tsengo ya uchipa ya mafunzi anayadiwapu abaraporotiki wa Dobsonville huni abasoweto botsepo nsimane yo pesora panda uya kadubala buraru la mwezi udao wa kuvumezi uitera tsengo tangeri bonsimana bosenga rauto toma kote kurwane ya Johannesburg machiona na musi uvache mranduyo wa furuso uva kote magistrata ya Road Report. Tsengo yi yoba izwandani za mhadru muswa kati na baramira yobaswa bane bakadiringeza upfesesa mranduyo ngabudaro. Kaba muntawa ngwananyana wa mingwa ya fumbiri na fungo la ufuruso wa murandu wa utambuzo wa ravuzekani uyaka kote kurwane ya Johannesburg aba pauri badowananda murero kamurandu uyu bonsimane bako weswa murandu wa utambuzo wa ravuzekani ngwana wa mingwa ya fumbiri nga chipinga chabege apaseka heizo zwavonara kachifanso na kazurudzi zvavudavidzani.
I'm pleading with the courts to help us lock this man away for a long time for what he did, because he needs to face consequences of his actions and pay for what he did.
Murandu uyu wosika na kama hosi bane bari baranga panda bana budipindureri na wamba na urwa na zwito za utambuzo wa ravuzekani abafuwi wasitla murahu tobejane bari chumisano ndiyande merushakani.
As traditional leaders, we are the leaders of the community, and I also encourage and make an announcement to all the leaders, all the political leaders, all the churches to come together and try to solve such kind of the cases.
Va komiti ni araberesana na bafumakazi bahore pali na baswa nabone bubahone kazuro la uyo murandu.
There is work that has been done by Parliament in terms of strengthening the legislation. But over and above that, you are aware that this portfolio committee has submitted the names of the board that is going to form the National Council of Gender-Based Violence and Femicide. This is the board that is going to ensure that there is proper coordination and that there is proper things that are done, action in terms of ensuring that we curb the scourge of gender-based violence.
Murandu uyu oumisirwa chitokisini na onododivana za puchipingani chidao savunga ohanaita kumbero ya beili. Aba butando la rushaka bado vota bege daunga la buraru marugana likumedzwa la usha purpero kamaranga zuro la rushaka bo toko didiza likumedzwa ili lela sukiswa ngamaranga pando wale horla EFF bo jiras malimanga mwezi wa furi liko kwamba na cheo ya bo didiza ya usane zana na kumbera jihadu ya President bo Cyril Ramaphosa kote kurane ya Western Cape ya utodo imisa mushumo wa komiti ya parliamente ya usuzi rusaka na yasudu sakona zeo za uviswe chizironi marugana na pungo la burasini yabo ya para musizo dara kote yo tenda kumbero ya President Ramaphosa ya umisa mushumo uyo wa komiti ya parliamente. ba muhasho wa zwifhaṱo na themamveledziso vha ri ṱhahelelo ya vhulavhelesi o linganaho u sa tevhedzwaho khwaṱhaho ha milayo khathihi na u sa tevhedzwa ha zwithu ndi zwiṅwe zwa zwivhangi zwo siaho vhunzhi ha zwifhaṱo zwi tshi wa u mona na shango vhukati ha ṅwedzi wa nyendavhusiku mahoḽa na ṅwedzi wa ṱhafamuhwe na ṅwaha vhathu vha 17 vho lovha ngeno vha 14 vho tou huvhala musi zwifhaṱo zwi tshi wa mavunḓuni mararu ane a vha Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal na Western Cape. Minista wa muhasho uyu Boden McPherson vha ri tsedzuluso dzavho dza u wa zwifhaṱo izwo dzi khou ṱahiswa mbilaelo dza vhukoni ha mimasipala siani ḽa u lavhelesa arali zwifhaṱo zwinzhi zwi si kha ḓi tevhedza milayo.
The investigation also raises concerns about whether the necessary construction work permit and appropriate health and safety appointments were in place. The investigators describe Omonde as, I quote, a disaster waiting to happen. That is a severe conclusion, ladies and gentlemen. But the technical, regulatory and professional evidence contained in the report explains why the investigators reached that conclusion. So what do these 4 separate investigations tell us? When these 4 cases are considered together, several broader findings become clear. The first is that South Africa does not suffer from a complete absence of legislation governing construction. There is already an existing regulatory framework dealing with planning, building standards, occupational health and safety, professional regulation, municipal approvals, and construction. The principal problem, as we see it, and identified by these investigations, is inconsistent implementation, inadequate oversight, weak enforcement, and non-compliance. At the same time, the report identifies areas in which the regulatory framework itself requires modernization and strengthening.
Ba songo tsira kule ri thomara ri kwata mavhengeleni ri a vhuya zwino skali. Ri vapo va tanganedza pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus na Kali High. Vandaulo ya University ya Technology ya Cape Peninsula vari vakadiva vhudiimisela u fara nyambedzano na varangaphanḓa vha matshudeni nahone vho diimisela u ambedzana navho zwavhuḓi. Tshiimo tshi kha ḓivha tsho dzika nahone a hu ngo vha vhona zwiṅwevho zwo vhigiwaho.
So the numbers are increasing every day. I will say that it's in the hundreds. It changes and flexes as we speak. We are grateful to those who have heeded our call, and it was a call that was a difficult one to make by management. I think we can agree with the students, that they would be unhappy in a sense that this decision was made. However, it was purely made to de-escalate the violence. It has worked. I think that everybody, is fatigued by the protest action as it currently stands. So, we just need to move on to the next plan, which is really to get around a negotiating table. We've always been open to the negotiation. In fact, our management has sat and waited for meetings that had been set up and is not honoured. So, those invitations remain valid. We would meet with them at the drop of a hat. We are also aware that the Ministry, the Department of Higher Education and Training, is sending a high-level team to intervene. We're grateful for that intervention. We believe cool heads will prevail, and we would honour any kind of mandate that they give us.
Vhadzulapo vha Makgoba vhe vha vhela mavu murahu naho mona na thavha dza Makgoba Schools na Tsani vunḓuni ḽa Limpopo vha khou lwa nga tshavho malugana na mveledziso ya mavu ayo. Tshigwada tshine tsha ḓivhidza uri Makgoba Consent Group tsho ya khothe khulwane ya Polokwane sa nḓila ya u lingedza u thivhela vha tshikwama tsha Makgoba Mamphoko Community Trust vha khamphani ya Makgoba Asset Management khathihi na muṅwe rabulasi uri vha songo bvela phanḓa na dziṅwe mveledziso. Tshigwada tsha Makgoba Consent Group tshi khou amba uri avho vhathu vho sielwa nnḓa kana vho sala vho ita mbilaelo dza mavu vho siwa nnḓa kha thandela ya vhulimi.
Court must make sure all the beneficiaries of Makgoba must get benefit on the land, must be verified. That's why there is a dispute in the trust. It's because of what? If you are not in the 603 list, you are not Makhobas. Only people that Makhobas, they appear on the 603. But because of what, in the 603, most of people, they are passing away. We left, between 603, we left only 283. Others, they are passed away. And if you are passed away, there is no verification. There is no household that must go to make sure in that house there is a one that they must represent that household. So that's why the problem, that's we take this matter to court to say court must intervene.
Zwa zdrowesera mafhungo zwa ikonomi une randa yavo narodzika musi chipambedzwa na mamwe mashere mahulwane ali pasi. Dollar rand is 16 rands 12 cents, bond on the 21 rands 95 cents, euro on the 18 rands 82 cents, pula on the 1 rand 13 cents. Miko wepala JSE ipasi. Kazi vile za musuku ndi 4,405, platinum ndi 1,811, oil sunga kune kiswaho ni $93.38 ngafagi. Dzangano la bashumi bazwa buendi la Satawu likwamba uri jendezi la buendi hazidimela la passenger rail company kana Prasa alongo vera kagala na one losianda zidonombezwa zwandeme musili chijenisa ka furo la punguza bashumi furili la punguza bashumi la toma ngangwezi wa chimezi mahola naone liko rabererwa kunyarezwa mapironi ya unongwezi wa Thangure.
The Minister of Transport intervened and a task team was established to deal with Section 189, and we have since been able to place 102 employees within Prasa. However, 227 employees remain affected. Amongst the 227, a total of 52 employees are in critical grades, and 41 of them have, in the course of their employment, acquired various qualifications. There is still no finality on the engagements with TOCs, as these cannot currently be accommodated within Prasa. As Satawu, we are working very hard to ensure that all the employees are accommodated. The further efforts include the ongoing engagement between Prasa and Transnet regarding the transfer of 208 protection services employees. We can also confirm that the retrenchment is only targeting the MPLs, which has since been renamed to long distance passenger transport.
Aiwa ovakando ya kumunala na chigwada chipaveredzi agawa madeko na udhi ndende.
Ndi matekwana karambutira biresa nyimero ya mocho ya matekwana anamusi babiki ba mocho baro kubonera mimuya ine kubutsura ngabo hari pala chipembe hashango mimuya iri kubonera hapo na pala pendera shango ya bubatoba katina chizikini cha shango karambutira biresa machara hone lido chali manga chipembe yote nyimero ya mocho ya machari kutoba hapo ya sumba aiwa ila mimuya kila yodine ya manda ahuna na shota zalo linela kubikwa kalote la Afrika chipembe feziha rikoba tsibutsura macharo lichicha kabara labere mufiso wokarura hobukuma ni ula mufiso onwadi androsia mataka achiko usa karimbo dilimona rabeze temperature za matekwa na namosi karitomenga vundu lashu la ngeno Gauteng ndoro kubikero hani mocho abudi bukuma ngeno vundu la Gauteng samtso kubona temperature za budi bukuma za konya za chika pala 27 atina hamusoro resa pala Pretoria ndi 28 Brakonsberg hone 27 Springs hone aiwana hone ndi mocho abudi nokubikwa machero lichicha karimbo dia vundu la Limpopo rotome pala Musina hone na hone rakabona temperature zo tsika hobukuma tando ndi 27 Musina ndi 28 tsani ndi 28 atina hapuluka ni hone ewa ukurabera mocho abudi bukuma na pala mukopano za hangu tabazimi na pala lipalale karimbo dia Mpumalanga hone na hone rakobona mocho abudi chikobikwa matekwana anamusi samsoro rosa pala Carolina Bombela na pala Skukuze Mkondo hone aiwa na hone ndi mocho abudi bukuma nokubikwa matekwana ano muzirisha vundu la KwaZulu Natal na hone rakobona mocho abudi bukuma matekwana namusi katihina machero ulundi zidokonya temperature za chika pala 26 muzirisha pala East Western Cape na hona re bona wale tosha so bude bukuma pala letswai atsena pala makhanda atsina mthatha hone tse dokonya tse temperatures a fika pala ka 24 musiricha Western Cape na hona re bona mucho bude bukuma matekwana na mosikatihi na machero Pfeffer West atsena pala Linesburg na hona lidotaba ha dudela fetsi ha musiricha pala Vundini la pala Northern Cape rikona mucho buduno kubikwa pala Kurumana atsena pala Pington Springbok na pala Calvania atsina matekwana na musuko rothora pala Sutherland samse rikobona tse temperatures ziphasi bukuma atsina Kimberley tse dokonya tsa fika pala ka 31 Free State na hona rikobona mucho wabuti pala Welcome Kronstadt Bothaville atsena pala Bethlehem webna hona aiwa tse dokonya Bloemfontein tse dokonya na hona tsa fika pala ka 28 musirishebesa hapo pala Northwest rikolabela mucho wabuti kuma pala Drupuni pala Mahikeng atsena pala Ottosdal rosa hangu na pala Tosca samse dokonya tsa fika pala ka 31 Helino ndikomba komba